Good evening, friends. Welcome to Adda 24/7. So, finally, all the BFM papers are over, right? All the three. So, let's cover the paper analysis now. Okay, in the morning also I had covered it at 11 a.m. So, now we'll be covering the complete paper analysis, whatever was there throughout all the sessions. Okay, so everyone join fast. I'll just wait for 2 minutes and then we'll start. Okay, yeah. So, join fast, everyone. I'll be getting the questions also and post the questions as well as your mark. I think looking at the questions which I've seen, that was almost moderate. Okay, because the questions also I've got it from the this bankers only. So looking at it, it was a bit moderate paper, not too difficult. Here, BFM is never easy. That's for sure. You'll never find a BFM paper as easy over here anywhere. Okay. So always it will be a moderate or tough. Either of these three things will be there. Okay. So let's start this. Okay. Before this, everyone post your marks, please. Everyone post your marks. Okay. Kindly post your marks. And how was the paper? Type in the comment section. Everyone, how was the paper? Okay. First question which I've got over here is, there was a case study on provisioning and PCR. Means case study on provisioning and PCR, and it was that 70% rule was used. Okay, so let me mark a line over here because my image will come in between. Hold on. Otherwise, I'll start writing and my image will come in between over here. Okay, yeah. So let me mark. Yeah. Chalo. So firstly it was everyone. Firstly it was the PCR, provision and provision coverage ratio. Provision and provisioning coverage ratio. And coverage ratio. The complete paper was from the books only. I saw it. Complete paper was from the books and it was from the slides which we taught. Mind it, it was from the slides which we taught. Complete paper was it. Okay. So I've seen it. I've seen this paper. Okay. So don't worry about that. So complete paper was from the books and the slides which we have given. Okay. Yeah. Numericals were there. I've seen the case studies also. Case studies. See, next one was capital adequacy ratio. That was one question. Was it there in the afternoon shift also? Capital adequacy ratio? Means the question on this RBI appointed credit rating agencies. RBI appointed credit rating agencies. Was it there also in the afternoon shift? Credit rating agencies. Okay. Yeah, RBI appointed credit rating agencies. Was it there? Yeah. I post your marks, everyone. Those who have cleared it. Everyone post your marks. How are the marks? How was the paper over here? RBI appointed credit rating agencies. That was one question. Okay, what was the other question? Kindly post the questions also if you remember. As and when you remember, post it. Okay, I'll give you some hints also. One sec. Yeah. BFM. So one more question was there. It was on this case study on bonds. Case study on bonds was also there. Case study on bonds. Was it there over here also? In the one of the shifts it was there. Case study on bonds. Case study. We took it in the during our schedule also. Case study on bonds. Bonds was also there. Bond calculations. This case study was also there. Wow, Aditi Shubha, 55 marks. Very good. Good marks here. 55 is a good score. So you have cleared this BFM and ABM also cleared? 55 marks. Wow, good. Yeah. Yeah, Praveen sir has got caught somewhere, so I'm taking it over here from English. Okay, he was going to take in bilingual, but he's got caught some in some other urgent problem. Okay, yeah, there's some issue of traffic somewhere. So yeah, others kindly post the marks, please. Aditi Shubha, 55 marks. Good, congrats, you have cleared it. Okay, good, congrats, you have cleared it. Okay. So what was the case study on bonds? Was it related to present value calculation or anything? What was it? Then what were the other questions? Anyone? Enterprise risk management. This question is almost every time. It's a question from this module C and D. ERM, enterprise risk management. Enterprise. There are few questions on LC also. This is what I'm getting. LC, risk management. LC, there were many questions. Fifth, LC. LC, many questions were there. How many marks questions were there? Because in one of the shifts, in the morning shift, there were around 15 to 20 marks on LC. Many questions. Around 15 to 20 marks were there on LC in the morning shift. 15 to 20 marks on LC. Was it the same case over here also? Congrats, yeah. Incoterms were there. Okay, Incoterms was there. NPA provisioning, correct. Okay. Incoterms. Okay. Incoterms means, can you give some details over here? Means, was it related to FOB, CIF or CFR? CFR. Was it related to any of these? Because generally, these Incoterms are asked. Means, it is generally these only. FOB, CIF and CFR. Because pre-shipment is given on FOB basis. And CIF and CFR are generally for post-shipment finance. NPA provisioning. Okay, NPA provisioning was one of the cases. Okay, NPA provisioning in the morning they had asked for standard assets. NPA provisioning. So was it, yeah. One NPA provisioning I have seen for the substandard also, and substandard they had asked in the morning. So in the afternoon, what was the case? NPA provisioning was on substandard D1, D2. What was it? Okay, in the meantime, one more I had got it. That was, this is Regulatory Authority of IBU. Regulatory Authority of IBU. 8th, Regulatory Authority of IBU. There was one question on that also. Regulatory Authority. Okay. IBU. IFSCA. That was the answer, right? IBU. So the answer is IFSCA. IFSCA. That is the answer over here. Regulatory Authority of IBU. IFSCA. All kinds of assets. Okay. All kinds of assets was asked. Okay. So it means good. Good. Aditi, you have got 56 in ABM, BFM 55. Very good marks here. So now you only what remains is your remaining 3 papers. Good that you have a high chance of scoring now. Okay, you have a good chance of scoring. Others also kindly post the marks. Others kindly post the marks. Kindly post the marks. And how was the paper? Tell me everyone. Kindly post the marks. Okay. Was there any question on this NRI in this shift? NRI accounts, NRI. Because in the morning there was a question on case study on NRI. There was a question on this FCNR account OD, means loan on FCNR account. Was there any question about this NRI? Yeah. NRI banking. Okay. Because NRI, it was a question on NRI. Okay. The question was on this FCNR OD. FCNR And then OD can be given on that or not. That was a question in the morning shift. So in the afternoon shift, was it there? Capital charge on operational risk. Okay, capital charge on operational risk, IBA approach. Okay. So that was there. Capital charge on operational risk. Here, always remember capital charge. Capital charge. That is the basic form which is to be taken 15%, right? Basic, that basic model, right? There are three models, right? Basic, standard, and this AMA, advanced measurement. So in basic, it is 15% of the 3 years annual profit. Yeah. Acha. Second shift was a bit easy, it seems, because that's what I am seeing. For a second shift was easy. Third shift was tough. It seems third shift was tough. Okay, yeah. So third shift was tougher, a bit tougher. Okay. So capital charge on operations risk. Okay. Operations. So that 15% of the gross annual income, that is the question. That is the answer over there. Operational risk. Okay. Capital charge. Next one. Yeah. Then there was one pillar 2. Was there any question on pillar 2? Pillar 2 over here? Pillar 2 of this Basel 3. Pillar 2 and pillar 3. There were two questions in the morning. Pillar 2 and pillar 3. Pillar 3 and pillar 2. Two questions were there in the morning. Was there the same over here also? Everyone? Pillar 2 and pillar 3. Yeah. Pillar 2 and pillar 3. Was there a question over here? Pillar 2 means the question was, yeah, pillar 2 is needed for the purpose of what? Which type of risk? That was the question. Pillar 2 is for which type of risk? Which type of risk? So it is basically all the three risks. Which type of risk? Okay, it was basically all the three risks. Capital, this credit, market, and ops. Okay, credit, market, and ops. Okay, Pradeep got 50. Very good. Very good here. Pillar 2 and pillar 3 was there. Second was tough too. Okay, very lengthy and tricky questions. Question on VAR was asked. Okay, Simran. Okay, in the morning also you had given some ideas, Simran. Okay. What was that question? Question was on this percentage, VAR, how to calculate this VAR. That number of days, square root of number of days into that daily, whatever it is. That question was there, it seems. In the morning, this was the question. Square root of number of days into those daily volatility. Daily. That was the question in the morning. So in the afternoon also the same question was there. There was one question on under which LC advance is provided. Yeah, under which LC advance is provided. How many DD, what diamond dollar account can be opened? Okay, Sunil Singh, that was the question. So how many DDA can be opened? You wrote it, DDA accounts. It was taught in the class also. How many DDA accounts? How many DDA accounts? You wrote it now? Because maximum 5 are allowed. Okay, yeah. How many DDA accounts can be opened? Then ECB, external commercial borrowing. Okay, ECB was taken, na? In the class also it was taken. ECB complete topic was taken. ECB, because there is a separate chapter for ECB in your book. Complete ECB, okay? Yeah, correct, Pruti Patel, 5 DDA. Sunil Singh, 60, my God. Oh, you all guys were very sincere. I saw it. You all guys, okay? Sunny has missed it a bit. But Sunny was also very sincere. I've seen Sunny. Never mind Sunny. See here, it happens in luck part is also plays sometimes this part in your life. You are very sincere. I know it. Okay? Forget this paper. Move on to the next 3 papers. Sunil Singh, very good, but too good, huh? Too good. 60 marks means it's a good. Gaining 60 marks in BFM is a big achievement to you all. Remember, even if you clear this above 45 also, then also it's a big achievement. But gaining 60 is like getting a merit list. Okay, it's that account, that level. Okay, pillar 2 was asked over here, correct. ECGC, okay, ECGC what was asked, Praveen? ECGC, yeah. Praveen got 50, na? Oh, good, you cleared it, man. Good, good, good. You all guys were sincere. I've seen this. Yeah. I think soon can I get this exactly? Yeah, that is the problem, dear Aparup Chaudhary. This problem even I have seen. Even I have seen that students get the marks of 44 and 49 only. That is the main problem I have seen in many students. 44, 49, 44, 49. Because of this 1 mark, complete session is wasted. Yeah, complete session is wasted. Yeah, because of this 1 mark. Okay, what was the question on this ECB or ECGC? Anyone remember ECGC? What was the question? ECGC. Was any policy asked to you? ECGC policy? Any policy? ECGC? ECGC policy, okay? Good, but yeah. Good one. Here. Okay. ECGC policy was asked. Anyone? Yes. Okay. The one more question which I've got is of DSIB. DSIB. Okay. Systematically important banks. Domestic systematically important banks. This was one of the questions. Okay. Even in the class we had discussed, there are 3 banks which are systematically important in India presently. SBI, then ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. These are DSIB. Okay. Systematically important banks. So in that, I think so they had asked you this leverage ratio, leverage. Was this asked in the afternoon and the evening session also? Acha, eligible coverage under ECGC, that was asked. Okay, eligible coverage under ECGC. Yeah. Coverage under ECGC. GC, okay. Yeah, DSIB, what was the question? Anyone? 2 questions on DSIB. Now, I think so leverage ratio, correct, Sunil? Leverage ratio was asked, leverage. Leverage ratio for DSIB as well as non-DSIB. For DSIB it is 4% and non-DSIB it is 3.5%. Yeah. DSIB, systematically important banks. In fact, these are the questions which are not from your book actually. I'll tell you. Some questions are not from your book. I've seen it in the morning also. Some questions they have asked it separately which are outside your books. That is the problem. Yeah. Some questions are there. Means almost 4 to 5, 6 questions I have seen. As the name of the DSIB bank. Okay, it was there. So basically these 3 banks only. ICICI, HDFC and SBI. And the leverage ratio. Okay. Which is not covered under ECGC. That was the question. Okay. Out of the 4 options, which not covered under ECGC? Okay. Then it might be simple. Not covered under ECGC. Right? Because the types of risks are clearly defined. Which are covered under this ECGC. Okay. So this question might be easy. Okay. One more question which I have seen is in India for marketers. Yeah. Yeah, which method is adopted for calculating market risk? Which method for market risk? For market risk, right? Duration approach. Remember duration approach we did it? Duration approach, market risk. So duration approach is used, right? There are 2 methods, right? Duration. One is duration or we call it sensitivity approach. Duration or sensitivity. So duration approach or sensitivity approach. Okay, so this is used standard. So duration approach is there, right? Duration approach. That was one question on market risk. Was it there in the evening shift also? This question? Duration approach for calculating the market risk as per RBI, which is, it is a standard sensitivity approach method. And there were 2 methods which we did when we studied the market risk. Okay. Then pillar 2, need for the maintenance for the purpose, already discussed. Under which LC advance is provided, already discussed. Yeah. There was one question of MRR percentage. BFM re-exam happened ABM last time as there was server issue. Okay, what I would say is here, Approve and anyone else who have the problem of the server issue, kindly raise the grievance immediately to IIBF. Immediately raise the grievance. Okay, do raise the grievance immediately. Why? Because here this is a, if you have faced any technical issue, kindly raise it immediately to these guys, IIBF. They have a separate cell, separate number, separate, they have given this that email IDs also. So immediately raise it, because if you raise it, only then they'll consider. Okay. How many else did get this server issue? How many of you got the server issue, everyone? How many of you got the server issue? Anyone else who has got the server issue? Some answer not going or something like that, hanging, PC hanging, something like that happened? Acha, third shift was difficult. Yeah. Third shift they have kept it difficult only. Why? I don't know. Because okay, one more question which I've got is MRR percentage in securitization. This is something new. This is not from your book actually. MRR percentage for securitization. How many of you got this question? MRR percentage for securitization. Okay, securitization. It is 5%. 5%. This is generally not the part of your BFM studies. Yeah, MRR percentage for securitization. This question was asked. MRR percentage. Yeah. Now, realization of export bill. That was a major question. See here, I have seen majority, almost 25 to 30 marks I have seen on LC, pre-shipment, post-shipment finance. Almost module A covered almost 30 to 35 marks. Was it the case with you all guys? Type yes if you have almost module A 35 marks, 30 to 35 marks. Did you get it in all your shifts also? Because in the morning shift, I have seen 15 marks were on LC only. Then pre-shipment, post-shipment. Okay. Pre-shipment, post-shipment, there were around 4 to 5 to 10 marks roughly. So around 35 marks were from module A only. ECGC also, there were some questions. So how many of you feel that module A was having almost 30-35 marks roughly, right? So MRR percentage was asked over here. MRR percentage, okay. Then realization of export bill, that was one question. Realization of export bill. Was it a question to you all? Realization of export bill. Export bill. I think so. Incorrect question was asked, right? What is incorrect about this realization of export bill? What is incorrect about the realization of export bill? I think so. That question was asked. Okay. Yeah. What is incorrect about the realization of export bills? Was it the same question to you all? Realization of export bills. Incorrect one. Something was asked regarding incorrect. Then CMB, there was one question. CMB, cash management bills. Here, CMB we had covered. So Shiv Rathi, tough paper, got 48. Okay. But what about other papers? Shiv, if you have more than 45 in ABM also, and you are appearing for all. Kunal 45. So okay, that's okay. Means you are about to, you can clear it, huh? Not an issue. You can clear it. Okay. So you can definitely clear this. 48 and 45. Okay, these are good marks. Anyone who has Apeksha, okay, got 41. Slightly missed out. Okay, yeah. Questions on NRI were there, right? NRI questions means what? Okay, what were the questions on NRI? Anyone? One more question which I have got is this question. Was it there, this case study? This case study, let me see. How many of you had got this case study? Let me mark it over here. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. How many of you had got this case study? Tell me. It's over here. Rate is given 82 point something. You all guys had got this case study because this was taken in the class also. Similar case study was taken in the class also. So you all guys had got this case study. Rate was given as 82.5052. Cash and spot rate was given as 46. 1 month forward was given as 2432. 3 month was given as 4550. 6 month was given as 92101. Margin of 5 paise. Then 5 questions were asked. Means export forward rate for 3 months. So 3 months it was asked. Then end of first month. Okay, end of first month. Then importer at the end of 6th month. Okay, so these were the 3 questions which I have got it. Was the same question for you all guys also? If 2, very hard. Okay, yeah. Srikant BK 55. Good, yeah. Yeah. For permanent settlement in India case study. Okay, pensioners comes to India. NRI guy means that NRI comes to India for for this case study. Okay, NRI comes to India. That was the case study. Okay, what did anyone amongst you have this this question of this numerical 5 marks case study? Rate was given as 82.5052. Cash and spot is 4:6. Then 1 month forward rate was given as 2432. Okay, then 3 months was given as 4550. 6 month 92101. Did anyone amongst you got this case study? Oh, Navneet Sangwan 58. Good one here. Good. Sincere guys, all of you. Very good. Very tough paper. Yeah, that's okay. That's understood here. Because paper was really tough. It is moderate to tough always. And generally what happens, morning shift is a bit easy. Generally, yeah, I'll tell you. Generally morning shift is a bit easier one. Then afternoon and evening shifts are tougher ones. Yeah. Shift 3 is generally tough. Shift 3 is generally very tough. Yeah. So morning shift is generally easy. In the morning also I saw. Same question, you got it? See, this question was there to 2-3 guys. They are answering. Yeah. So 3 months rate was asked. It's very easy. See this. It was a export, na export. So export means buying, you will be taking it 82.50. Okay, 82.50 you will be taking. And spot is given as 4:6. Okay, so 82.50 over here. This is for cash. And spot is 4:6. 1 month forward is given as 2432. You wanted for 3 months. 3 months. Okay, so go on adding this. 3 months means 45 over here. Directly third month they have asked. 45. So 85.50 plus 45. So 82.50, 3 months will be, I'll give you one example over here. 82.50 plus 0.45. Okay, so you'll get it as 82.95. And then you add this 5 paise, subtract it, not add. Because TT margin is given 5 paise. So this 5 paise is to be subtracted. So minus 0.05. So you'll get it as 82.90. This is about the third month. Okay. Then you have one question on 1 month also. 1 month is quite easy. 45. What was that? 1 month forward. 2432. Okay. So if it is for export again. So just this. It's a premium currency. So 50 plus 24. 74. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Hold on. Yeah. So now what was the next question? Anyone? Yeah. Yeah. Same question. Acha. Risk management committee. Acha. Shift 3 was tough. That's right. That's right, dear. Risk management. Acha, risk management committee was asked na, RMC. See here, this is the this is in the in our chapter for this risk management in this module B when it starts. Okay, so you have all that RMCB, right? We had taken this topic, RMCB, risk management committee to board. Under that there are 3 committees, right? CRMC, right? ORMC, MC, and there was one more, that is ALM, right? These I told you in the class also, up to this level it is asked. CRMC, ORMC, right? Jaiprakash, oh good, 60, my god, good, yeah, good, yeah. CRMC, this, okay. Previous time we have appeared we are now attending ABM. I got 15 ABFM. Are you giving this BRBL again? This here, remember this who Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan, you have attended all the 5 papers. If you are attending all the 5 papers, only then the rule of averages is applied, otherwise not applied. Okay, Jaiprakash, very good, yaar, very good marks, 60 marks. So Sunil Singh and Jaiprakash, very good marks. Okay, yeah. Vishal, you have 45, na? So you can clear it. Are you giving all the papers? Vishal, are you giving all the papers or are you giving only BFM? Are you giving all the papers or only BFM? All the papers or BFM, yeah. Thanks, Jaiprakash. Thanks, sir. No, it's your hard work here. It's your hard work. Here, after all, we are just giving the guidance. After all, you studied it well. No, 49 is okay na. You have cleared it na, Sushmita. How many marks? Are you giving all the papers or are you giving only one paper? Last time I passed HRM and BRBL. Oh, then it's a problem. If you are giving all the 4 papers, then not to worry. Okay. Liquidity risk 5 marks. Okay, there was one question on liquidity risk also. Liquidity risk 5 marks. 5 marks case study. Anything you remember about this case study? What was that? What was that case study? So Jaiprakash, you have cleared everything now. You have cleared your CAIIB. Good. Yeah. Acha, then it's a problem. If you are giving only paper, then it's a problem. One paper, then it's a problem. Okay. So Jaiprakash cleared all your CAIIB now. Very good. So Sunil Singh, Jaiprakash and many others, those who have cleared it, congrats. Those who have missed it by only 1 or 2 marks. Okay. So it's a hard luck always here. You all have studied well, very well. But the problem is sometimes the luck doesn't play its part. Okay. Yeah, export rate for ECB export bill. That was also asked. Okay, export rate for ECB. Okay, was there any question on this education loan? Education loan, ECB, TCS, tax collected at source. TCS. Because this is also a major question in TCS. Tax collected at source. That 5%, then 10% without PAN, and then 0.5% for education loan. 0.5% for education loan with education, means education loan and education studies. Was there any question like this also? RW and CRAR case study, yeah. That's what I was thinking, yeah. CRAR case study, nobody is speaking about. CRAR case study. CRAR and RWA, this is the basic of your BFM. Nobody spoke about this case study, CRAR and RWA case study. It is, here, there can't be any paper. Even in the classes I used to tell you, there can't be any paper without a CRAR or RWA case study. Right? Yeah. TCS was there, na? Yeah, tax collected at source. 30 questions of case study numericals. Correct. Here, BFM is roughly 40 marks case study, 40 to 50. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Maximum DD accounts. Maximum DD account 5. Okay. That was one question. Yeah. It was very big award, Jaiprakash. Okay, very big. Paper was very big. Yeah. See, our BFM is, that's why I say always BFM is the toughest subject in complete CIB. Toughest one is BFM. Okay, it is the toughest subject. Okay. So this, was there any question over here, over there? For, okay, any other questions you are having? Any other? Yeah, MRR, integrated treasury. Was there any question on integrated treasury? Integrated treasury. Was there any question? What is not a function of integrated treasury? That there was some question on this cash in transit. Integrated treasury. Was there any question on integrated treasury to you guys? Yeah. Okay. Acha. Okay, I'll check this. Yeah. They won't give 1 mark. No, dear. They don't give. Only they'll give you 1 mark only if there is a technical error from their side. This happened in 2017 once. They had made one mistake. Okay. They had made one mistake in the problem, and that's why what did they do? They gave 1 mark to all the students. That was in 2017. Only once it was done. If there is any technical error in your problem, in your paper, then IIBF gives whatever those marks are, whatever the questions are wrongly printed, they directly give you to all the students. Okay? Yeah. Chalo then, bye students, everyone, and those who have cleared it, best of luck to you all for the remaining papers, and those who have not cleared it, okay, don't worry about it, don't get tensed, because many a times we study a lot, but the paper is something else. Our luck doesn't play a part over there, because this generally happens in BFM, because BFM is the toughest subject in your complete CIB. Okay, best of luck to you all again for the remaining papers. Forget whatever has happened in this paper. Those who have cleared also, don't go in that thinking that you have cleared BFM, so you'll clear the remaining papers. Don't think that way. Okay, attend the classes properly, do join the batches, and do study a lot from your books also, wherever you are